Hadrael serves as a tech marine of the Blood Angels of the Sword of Baal. A devoted disciple of both the teachings of his chapter and the tech adepts of Mars, Hadrael maintains several important aspects of the strike cruiser, the Sword of Baal. Imbued with a poet's soul and artistic flair to his duties, Hadrael is a diligent and fastidious worker of his creed. Repairing and maintaining both the Sword of Baal and many of the Blood Angels' technologies, such as their weapon systems, armor, and gene stores, Hadrael would work tirelessly to preserve the vessel and its crew. A fearsome and expert warrior, Hadrael would protect the Sword of Baal from the insidious and relentless invasion of the strike cruiser during its docking with the space station of Naiades. Attempting to prevent further damage to the vessel, Hadrael would simultaneously blunt the invasion attempts of the Genestealer cults and repair the ship. As both builder and protector, Hadrael would survive the plots of the Tyranid Xenos with the aid of his venerable battle brother, Ignis. His deeds as the Sentinel of the Sword of Baal continuing, with its never-ending demands of repair, protection, and salvation.